Are you using TikTok? If so, maybe you already got their new feature, Stories. Hejsan hej, I am PixelPia, and today I want to talk about TikTok introducing Stories. More and more people get access to their new feature. TikTok Stories works very similar to the way you create regular TikToks videos. You can use the same editing tools, effects, filters, and sounds. The difference between a regular TikTok video and a story is that the story will just stay on your app for 24 hours. What they don't have compared to many of the other apps like Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and WhatsApp is that little bar at the top of the home screen where you can see all the stories from accounts you are subscribed to. Stories on TikTok will show up in the regular feed, and the only difference is that around the profile picture will be a little blue circle that indicates that this account has a new story. If you click on that profile with the blue circle, you will see the story. Down at the bottom of the story, you see these white lines that indicates how many parts is in the story. And while watching a story, you can swipe right and left to go between the parts. When the story ends, you will end up at that account's profile page. If you go directly to an account's profile page and see a blue circle around their profile image, that indicates that this account has either a new story or have added to their original story. The stories will not show up on their profile page. You have to click their profile picture with the blue circle to see the story. If you want to create your own story, you start the same way as with the TikTok video. You click the plus sign. You either record a piece of video or upload photos and videos. After that, you can choose to upload to story or click next and continue editing as a regular TikTok video. As I said, not everybody have access to stories yet. If you haven't, the day you have access, a little blue welcome message will pop up on your screen when you start your TikTok to tell you that you can now create stories. Hej då!